Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin.
Third Reality is a company that is bringing some new innovations to smart home gear. From a no-wiring smart switch to a 3-in-1 smart nightlight with adjustable colors, the line is designed to work with the Matter standard. Check to see if the gear you might need requires a bridge. About the new R1 motion sensor, marketing manager Tina Zhu tells us.
The R1 it's based on the milliwave radar sensor. So it can detect the movement that will not be affected by the temperature or the sunlight.
It is primarily for indoor use or protected outdoor setting. They even bring smarts to your plants with the second-generation Smart Soil Moisture Sensor.
You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin.
The Haven 10,000 lantern is a smartly designed, beautiful solar light that you will love indoors or out. It is waterproof with up to 1,200 lumens of brightness. That's a lot of light. And the base becomes a flashlight at the push of a button. The power comes from a built-in lithium-ion battery recharged by the sun. The solar panel is built in, or USB-C. The battery can even recharge your phone. Did we mention how durable it is? How it folds down and can run for up to 120 hours on a charge? But the real power of the Haven Lantern comes from the people behind it and their mission to provide this quality lighting to those in the world who need it most, including in disaster emergencies. Your purchase helps to fund those efforts, and if you use the code Techstination20, you'll get it at a 20% discount. That's Techstination20 at havenlantern.com. Create your haven.